Hey, what's going on, everyone? It's Jeff at Lockdown Security, www.lockdownsecurity.ca, and today I'm bringing you a video on this 2018 Buick Encore that we just did an autoease power liftgate kit. What that is basically a power strut on either side that opens the hatch. Sal, my coworker, is going to demonstrate this. You basically hit the exterior button, it motorizes up. And I want to show you a few things. So if you take a look, we mounted for this customer the close button on the body of the vehicle right there. The reason being is they didn't want to have it mounted up top just due to the height of it. So Sal, if you want to close that. Now you're going to notice something, how it slams shut. Now the reason for that is that this vehicle does not have, or this kit does not come with a soft close latch. So it has to basically drop the hatch towards the end there. But we have tested it, it's fully safe. It won't drop on anybody. It has to close it down a little bit harder just to make sure it latches. Now, Sal is also gonna demonstrate. I'll just come up here and show you. I have mounted a release button on the dash just below the steering wheel. I'm just gonna go to the back. He's gonna push it. Go ahead, Sal. And you'll see basically it opens right up. And Sal, if you could hit the button again and close it. And you'll see it essentially has the safety procedure there. So if anything gets caught, if anybody is under the hatch when it closes, it will reverse. He's gonna hit the button again. And there you have it. So not the most exciting of products, but for those of you who would like to add a power hatch to your vehicle or a power lift gate because your vehicle didn't come with it, as you can see by this Buick Encore, it is possible to do that. And we do sell the kits to allow you to convert your vehicle to a power lift gate. We even have power trunk kits for sedans. So if you wanted to convert your trunk into a power open and power close trunk, you can do so. I'm just going to give you a view of this Buick Encore. Beautiful vehicle, very low kilometers, great shape for the year that it is. And that pretty much concludes this video. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you could, subscribe to our YouTube channel. It goes a long way to help us make more videos like this in the future. Visit www.lockdownsecurity.ca for more information on power liftgate kits for your vehicle. And feel free to email us, sales@lockdownsecurity.ca, or call us 1-866-824-4118 to find out if we have a power trunk or power liftgate kit for your vehicle. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.